In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance Convert feature in 2025. This feature on Binance is a great way to quickly exchange your cryptocurrencies without needing to dive into the more complex aspects of trading in the spot or margin markets. It's perfect for those who want to manage their digital assets simply and efficiently. Whether you're looking to convert Bitcoin to USD Tether, Ethereum to Binance Coin, or any other pair, Binance Convert has you covered. First, let's get started by heading over to the Binance website. You want to go to the homepage of the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange, where you can access all the tools you need for your crypto exchanges, including our focus today, which is the Convert feature. If you don't yet have a Binance account, you'll need to create one first and go through the necessary verification processes. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the top menu and find the Trade option. Binance offers several trading interfaces, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the simpler Convert option. Click on Trade. This will open a drop-down menu where you should find and select Convert and Block Trade. This is our desired interface for easy and straightforward conversions. With the Convert and Block Trade window open, the next step is to choose which cryptocurrency you want to convert. For instance, if you're looking to convert Bitcoin to USDT, you'd select BTC in the From field and USDT in the To field. If you already have specific coins in mind, type in their tickers and proceed. The drop-down should give you a list of all available options in case you're unsure of the exchange pairs available. Once you've selected your currencies, enter the amount you want to convert. There is an Enter Amount box, and you can input how much of your chosen cryptocurrency you wish to exchange. Make sure that you have enough of the currency in your Binance wallet to cover not only the amount you wish to exchange, but also any minimal fees that might apply. Now, it's time to review your conversion with the Preview button. Click on Preview Conversion to see how much of the chosen To currency you'll receive for the amount of the From currency you wish to exchange. This preview will provide a quote that is locked in for a few seconds. It's critical to act quickly if you're happy with this quote, as the conversion rates can fluctuate. Finally, once you're satisfied with the conversion preview, hit Confirm to complete the transaction. Your new balance should reflect the exchange soon after. This process ensures that swapping your crypto assets is seamless, stress-free, and efficient. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently use the Binance Convert feature to execute your cryptocurrency exchanges quickly and easily. Thank you for joining me today, and happy converting!